Alright, hello everybody. So, I am bored and have nothing better to do. And the other day, I was watching the internet, and an individual claimed, which I've heard before, that the microwave is no bueno. Whatever it does to food or water when you're cooking it is, if you listen to the conspiracy theorist people, which, I guess I could be counted as one most of the time, it'll kill you the second you even look at it. And if you talk to other people, they're like, oh, it's ridiculous, it's completely normal and fine. Now, I'm not going to get into how microwaves work. They obviously use microwaves to heat up food, to accelerate the particles start, and that's how they get hot. They start gyrating at a high rate of speed, friction, blah, blah, blah. So, I don't technically, I guess, see how that could... I don't know. I mean, it's not like you're going in the mind. Whatever. So the one experiment, the guy took plants and he watered a plant. He only had one plant. He watered a plant for 7 days, and within 7 days, the plant died. There was no control group. There was no. It wasn't scientific at all. And mine is not going to be scientific at all. But I'm going to try to make it a little better. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use 4 leaves off of the same plant. The type of plant it is can grow in water or dirt. I'm going to use, here's what we're going to do. We're going to use, one is going to use regular tap water. One is going to use RO water. The other one is going to use tap water microwaved. And the fourth one is going to use RO water microwaved. Okay, so we'll have, did you follow me there?
Yeah.
Did I follow myself?
Yes.
And then we're going to try to do everything. Let's see, I think I've got 4 of even the same glass.
Those aren't the same, I don't think.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, close enough.
Close enough. Although, well, maybe I should... No, I don't want to use plastic. I don't want to use... Maybe I'll use these, because they're... Do I have another one? Just because they're smaller, so the
Yes, we have.
Is there... I'll use those, actually. So this is what...
Oh, sorry, guys.
Is this still fine?
Yes.
Wait a minute, did you pick it up the same way? Yes, should be good, hopefully. All right, so...
My hand is blocking. There we go.
So...
Here's our glasses.
Oh, good. Hang on. I'll be right back. I need to go get tape so we can mark them.
That's probably a smart idea.
Yeah, how else are we going to...
Know what is what?
Exactly.
Well, and we're...
And the only reason I'm putting all this on video is to show that there's no funny business going on. Even though people will still claim there was funny business, I'm sure.
You can always find a way, right?
Yeah, which I don't blame them. Today's world is filled with nothing but funny business from everybody, it seems like.
That's true. Us included.
Oh. You know what song I have stuck in my head? And I have no idea.
What?
Dreidel, dreidel, dreidel.
That was my fault.
Why? Were you singing it?
Yes.
Is that where I heard it?
Yes, I literally was just singing
Why
it.
is that in my head? Do we have a pen?
Don't ask me why that got into my head.
Pen? Have a pen?
Over here.
Oh, brilliant. There's something. Yeah, that'll work.
Let's try that one.
So we'll do...
Okay.
Is it not working? It doesn't work.
Here, there's another one.
Okay, so we'll do normal. It doesn't work.
Here.
Let's try this one.
Oh, there goes everything
We'll
flying.
Is that still recording?
Yep.
All right, so maybe just doesn't want to write in the tab. I'll try the pencil thing.
How many writing utensils does it take for us to get?
Well, I don't like this because it's hard to see. Let me go get a...
I think we need a marker.
Yeah, there isn't one.
And you can tell that there's no colds going on in our house. Yeah. Which one is going to grow? Will they all grow?
Production value. You can tell that we got our stuff in order.
That's right.
All right, so.
Yeah, I was like, you can tell there's no colds going on in the house.
All right, so. So we'll do.
So this will be normal.
Tap.
Okay. Oh, can you see it with that?
Yes.
Sorry, guys.
Normal. R-O. And then M. Tap. And then M. R. Oh. 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 Okay.
Uh-oh.
So.
So it's just going to go on for a week?
Well, I'm thinking we have to change the water like every 2 days.
Okay. But are we going to run, how long are we running the experiment for? A week?
Yeah, sure, because that's what,
That's what they did?
yeah. All right, so here is...
So what is today? Saturday.
You know, it didn't say how long, the guy didn't say how long to microwave the water for. Like, how long do you think we should microwave?
Does it need to be like hot or?
I mean, I don't think boiling would do it. I would think just like enough to.
I don't think you'd want to boil
So
it.
here's the first, like, here's the first point of contention. I'm sure it'll be like, you didn't do it long enough, or you did it too long, or brr, 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 brr. Guys, I have no idea what's going on right now, so we'll put it in for
Like 30 seconds?
I think it's gonna be like a minute.
Oh, okay.
Give it a good like. And then while we're doing that, let me get, where's the scissors? What did you do with my scissors?
There's some right here. They should be up there. So where we? Oh, there's a Winnie girl.
So here's the plant in question.
Our possum is gone.
So we're gonna get some healthy. We'll cut them off right down. There's uno, dos, in fact, tres. I'll take them off of the same stalk.
Okay.
No flower for you.
Thank you.
I'll take it back.
All right, here we go.
Chop, chop, chop. So we can immediately put these ones in.
Yes.
So this one is normal tap. Get it?
Do, do, do.
And then this is normal RO. Okay, and where should we put them? Probably on the table. That way they get a little.
Winnie's gonna drink the water probably.
I think so. All right, this is nice and warm. I don't think it's warm enough to hurt the plant. So
That's the only thing I was concerned about.
think about it. I think it should be all right. So
As it wilts down.
all right, so we'll move these over.
Okay, so we're going over to the table.
That way, during the day, they get some good light.
So we're starting on Saturday and we're gonna end on Saturday.
Correct.
And we're gonna try to make it so that our cat doesn't drink the water. Because she loves it. Look at her. There she is. Winnie girl.
So, if you look.
Hold on, I'm getting the pretty girl. Okay.
Yeah, she's already plotting against
She is. Now,
These are all in good condition.
here, let me get a close up.
They feel good. I mean, oh, this one's got. I mean, it should be alright. Should be alright. That's right. I can edit that out. No, chase the cat.
No.
The reason I say edit it out, that would people be suspicious. You're already editing things, is because I had the mail here with our address. I'm sure someone could zoom in and be like, "Oh, I got their address." So, not that I don't love all of you, but yeah, you guys don't be needing our address. Don't leave the cat alone, Chloe. I like how she's like, "Oh, I wasn't going over there for that. I was gonna get this balloon."
Hey.
No. So, every 2 days means we'll get 3 water changing videos, and then next Saturday we'll get the results, if there's any at all.
Yeah, I guess we'll see.
Alrighty, cool. Peace out, yo.